morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to continue chapter 15 pictographs part 2. Now see this question. This is a chart showing what kind of fuel is used in the kitchen in 160 houses in a village. Now you can see the chart here. Which are the different type of fuels used? Gas, kerosene, wood and gobar gas. Okay, and on the other side you can see the number of houses using the fuel. And very important, you have to see the scale. One house means how many houses given here? 10 houses. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that one house means how many houses? 10 houses. And the different types of fuels used by each house. Okay, like gas is used by how many houses? Kerosene, wood and gobar gas. So let us see the first question. Now what is the question here? What kind of fuel is used in most houses? So where you see more number of houses? Yes, in which column? In kerosene column you can see the houses are more. Okay, what kind of fuel is used in most houses? So you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 houses are drawn in front of kerosene. So which fuel is used more? Kerosene. Your answer is what? Kerosene. Now see second question. How many houses use gobar gas? So you have to see the fuel gobar gas and you have to see the number of houses in front of gobar gas. How many houses are there in front of gobar gas? 3 houses. And as I told you, you have to remember the scale. One house means how many houses? 10 houses. So how you will find out that how many houses use gobar gas? So what you will do? Yes, 3 houses multiply by 10. What answer you will get? 3 tens are? Yes, 30 houses is the answer. 30 houses use gobar gas. Okay, children? Now see next question. How many houses use gas? That is natural gas which we use in our house. Okay, in the cylinder you get na? Through the pipeline also you get, some buildings they have the pipeline of gas. So that gas. How many houses use gas? So you have to see the fuel gas and you have to see the number of houses in front of gas. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many houses are drawn? 4 houses. So now you have to find the number of houses using gas. So how you will find out? You will do 4 multiplied by 10 because one house means 10 houses. So what will be your answer? 4 tens are 40 houses use gas. Okay. What is your answer, children? 40 houses use gas. Now we will see next question. A chart showing what colors were worn by children to school on the day when the school uniform was not compulsory. Now here we are going to see a chart which shows us that what colors the children worn when they don't have to wear the school uniform. Okay, sometimes you also come na in casual dress in school when you have any function in school. Yes, so same way here we are going to see a chart now. Now see the chart. One side you can see the number of students and other side you can see the different colors worn by the children like red, blue, green, yellow. These are the colors of clothes. And very important thing you have to keep in mind is what? Yes, scale. One child means how many children? 5 children. Okay, so you have to keep in mind the scale used here. One child means how many children? 5 children. Okay, now let us see first question. Now see the chart and answer the questions. Okay, how many children are there in the class? How many children are there in the class? So you will count the total number of children shown in the picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many children are shown in the chart? 7 children. And what is the scale I told you? One child means 5 children. So how you will get the answer? How many children are there? Yes, 7 multiplied by 5. So what answer you will get? 7 5 is how much? 35 children. How many children are there in the class? 35 children, because one child means 5 children, and in the picture you can see 7 children. So this is the way you should find the answer. Okay. Now next question. How many children wore yellow? How many children wore yellow clothes? Now you can see the color yellow. Okay. Above yellow, how many children are drawn? Only one child. How many child? Only one child. And one child means how many? 5. So how you are going to write the answer? Yes, 1 multiplied by 5. So how many children wore yellow? 5 children. How many children wore yellow? 5 children wore yellow clothes. Now third question. What color did the greatest number of children wear? How many wore that color? Now you, how many colors are there? 4 colors are there. That is red, blue, green, yellow. Okay. And above all the color you can see the pictures are drawn of children. Above which color you see more number of children? Yes, above red color, right? So what color did the greatest number of children wear? Red color. So you will write red there. Okay. Now what we have to find out, how many wore that color? How many children wore that color? So that how you are going to find out. How many children are there in above red color? 1, 2, 3. And one child means 5 children. Okay. So what answer you will get? 3 multiplied by 5. So 3 5 is how much? 15. So 15 children wore which color? Red color. So maximum number of children wore red color. Okay. Okay children. Now see next question. The pictograph show the number of marks obtained by 6 students in their maths exam out of 100 total marks. Okay. So let us see the chart now. Here, one side you can see the name of the children, and other side you can see the marks obtained. Okay, what are the names of the children given here? Sarah, Zara, Ali, Mary, Ram, Sai. Okay, and other side you can see a star. One star means how many marks? 10 marks. Okay, and the marks are out of 100. And one star means how many marks? 10 marks. Understood, children? So you have to keep this thing in mind and then find the answer. Okay, let us start with the first question. How many marks did Ali get? So where is Ali? You have to see the number of stars in front of Ali's name. How many stars you can see? Count the number of stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many stars? 5 stars. And 1 star means how many marks I told you? 10 marks. So what will be the answer? Yes, 5 tens are 5 multiplied by 10. 5 tens is how much? 50 marks. How many marks did Ali get in maths? 50 marks. Okay. Now next question. Who got 100 marks out of 100? Now you have to count the number of stars. Okay. 1 star stands for 10 marks. So who had got 10 stars, that child must have got 100 out of 100. So where you see more number of stars? What is the answer? Count the number of stars. What is the answer? Yes, you can find out. Yes, what is the answer? Mary. In front of Mary's name, you can count how many stars are there? 10 stars. It means Mary has got 100 out of 100 in maths. Now, how many marks did Zara get? Now, how many stars you can see in front of Zara's name? Only 2 stars, right? So, 1 star stands for 10 marks. So, how many marks did Zara get? How you will find out? 2 multiplied by 10. 2 tens is how much? 20 marks. How many marks did Zara get? 20 marks in maths. Okay? Who got less than 100? Who got 10 less than 100? Okay? 10 less than 100 means how much it will be? 100 minus 10 will be how much? 90. It means who got 90 marks in maths. So, how many stars should be there in front of that child's name? 9 stars, right? Because 1 star stands, you see more number of stars. Count the stars where you see 9 stars. Who is that child? What is the answer, children? Yes, what is the answer? Sarah. In front of Sarah's name, you can see 9 stars are there. It means she has got how many marks? 90 marks. That is 10 less than 100. So your answer is Sarah. Name the students who got 60 marks in exam. Now who got 60 marks in exam? 60 marks means how many stars should be there? 6 stars. Okay, so you have to see the name of the children who got 60 marks. So count the stars where you can see 6 stars. Count, say the name. Yes, who are the winners? Who are the students who got 60 marks? Ram and Sai. In front of both the names, Ram you can see 6 stars and Sai you can see 6 stars are there. So both the students got 60 marks in exam. Who scored the least marks in the test? Who got very less marks, the least marks in the test? Where you see less number of stars in front of whose name? Yes, answer is Zara. Right. So with this, we have completed our part 2. Thank you.